What is learning? Learning is the power on taking on something new, something exciting, exploring with the deepest curiosity. Learning is the first skill we ever mastered as an infant. Did you know that? Children, they learn without boundaries. Any new situation, sound, object is all an opportunity to learn something. And children, they grab that without reservation and without any fear. Yet, when we grow up, that desire to learn, it fades away. It gets replaced with obligations, routines, and fear of disappointment. Learning is labeled as institutionally related, as in we can only truly learn when we're in school. That's such a flawed belief system. Why shouldn't we learn all the time? And most importantly, why shouldn't we learn on our own terms? See, with this hyper-connected information world around us, we have every opportunity to learn new things, yet most of us don't. We owe it to the world around us to never stop the journey of learning. We have been given a gift. Let's not waste it. Learning starts with motivation, and learning starts with a good teacher. But really good teachers, those who can inspire people to learn, they aren't easy to come by. But when you do, they can change your life and your belief system forever. I feel blessed to be able to say that I've been successful in the field of aviation as a pilot, as a teacher, and as an instructor. And now I want to bring that to a whole new level with you in focus. With MindSpaceX, I plan to build a foundation for learning, educating on specific subjects, but focusing on the essence of how to learn. Exercise, nutrition, sleep, mindfulness, offering learning material that inspires people on energy creation both physically as well as mentally. See, that's the cornerstone of learning anything, and it's often neglected. A few changes and you can go about your life in a whole new way and take your skills and your level of knowledge to a whole different level, regardless of what level you started at. Let's get started.